Start with IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions. What do you usually do on your birthday?
Uh, Mostly I
I don't celebrate my birthday or
I
I
don't
celebrate my birthday with my friends, whatever you want to say.
I don't celebrate my birthday in my friends. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Do you like to attend birthday party?
No, I don't like birthday attend birthday party because uh,
Yeah, because I don't like it. It's boring party and I don't like that, okay? Do you like cake?
yes, of course I like cake.
अब हम इतना काफर भी नहीं है हाँ Alright. So, what's your favorite flavor?
Uh, my favorite flavor is uh,
Chocolate
chocolate
cake, tomato cake, ginger
chocolate
cake.
cake. Uh, it is very delicious. Uh, that's
Good, good,
why
good, good.
I like cake.
Well done. Very good. Let's go on. Do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with your friends?
I prefer my time with my friends. Uh, most of the time, uh, we go outside and we go outside eating something
We go outside to eat.
to eat something and then talk to
Okay, what
each
do
other.
you do at the weekend?
We can most first of all uh, we sleep very well.
Hmm? I sleep.
I sleep very well. Then
Alright, that's better. Enough. Yeah. So there are certain points where you have to use I and certain points where you have to use we. Okay, overall it's fine, but you are speaking very few sentences. Try to speak more, try to understand the topic and speak accordingly. Let's go on. It's your turn. How often do you look at yourself in the mirror?
It usually sometimes when I face in the mirror, I always shocked.
Listen, the answer, I understand you are shocked when you look into the mirror, but the question is how often are you shocked when you look at yourself in the mirror? So you can say, well, every day I look into the mirror 3 to 4 times. First of all, in the morning when I wake up, I brush my teeth in front of the mirror, then I see myself. Secondly, when I am ready to go outside, before going outside, I stand in front of the dressing table and I check myself. So these are the two occasions when I look at myself in the mirror like this. And now you can be shocked at the morning time when brushing your teeth or afterwards. Okay. So answer again. How often do you look at yourself in the mirror?
When I get up early in the morning, I like to watch myself in the mirror before washing my face,
Face.
and it always give me not satisfaction, because when I go to the washroom and take
What?
take a shower
Shower.
take a
Okay.
shower, and after that when I go to the mirror, and it always provide me satisfaction after the
All
showering.
right. So before and after, right? Let's go on. Have you ever bought mirrors?
I probably remember that I one time I bought some mirror for my family, and that is a moment I remembered, and my family at that moment my family feel better when I give some prize to
Okay.
them.
Just try to focus your tenses and your sentence structure. You understand the question well, but because of weak language, you cannot elaborate your answer well. Let's go on. Would you like to use the mirror to decorate your room?
I always prefer to use decorate my home with mirrors, as well as some other items which always provide satisfaction and provide some some sort of attraction to the guests, and so that I like to prefer to decorate my home with mirror.
With mirrors. Okay, this is better. Gradually you'll be fine. Try to practice these topics. Try to be familiar and brush up your English grammar also. You're gonna be fine, right? Thank you.